Hello. In this video, we will talk about double equal to operator and is keyword. Well, the double equal to operator compares the values of both the operands and checks for the value equality, whereas is operator checks whether both the operands refer to the same object or not present in the same memory location. Alright, let's talk about double equal to operator. Now, we have given some of the things here under print statement, right? Which is true equal to 1. So let's check one by one here. So for the first one, what it does is like it converts basically and converts in terms of bool. That means boolean of 1 is true, right? That means true is equal to true. I think it should print a true statement. Now, going further, let's talk about this. It's an empty string, right? Empty string means which is false, like we have seen earlier, that is false. False of boolean 1, like false is never equal to true, so that means it should supposed to give a false. Likewise, we can also put boolean of an empty string is always a false, and false is not equal to true, so it must print a false. Now again, here something which is called a 10, and which is int, and other one is a float. So there will be a conversion here, like whether it is int to int or float to float. So it evaluates both the values and it prints true in this case. And similarly with the open with the arrays which double equal to another array which is having of the same arrays, it should be supposed to give a true because false is always equal to false. So let's check how it comes now. So this is how it has happened, like what we have expected we have got actually. First statement is true, the second one which is false is equal to true, which is false, false is equal to true, which is false, true. We said that like false is equal to false, again true. And then we discussed about like a conversion from int to int and float to float or boolean to boolean, it gives a true. Here the equality operator double equal to compares both the values and checks for value equality. Now let's go and check for is operator. What does this is operator do? Like is operator checks whether both the operands refer to the same object or not. So instead of equal to, this time I just wanted to keep is, and here I just wanted to put is. Let me also replace here is and then is. Now when I have executed this, I just got something like this, right? Let's just ignore the below one. Now when you see the first one, true is 1, that means it's not going to convert anything from boolean to boolean. Here it just says that like it's not a comparison between this and this. It says like whether it is the same value or not, either it may be string to string or a number to number or anything like that. Now we have said that is operator checks both the operands, and if it refers to the same object and if it is presenting in the same location, then it executes as true. Suppose in this case if I wanted to just use 1, it's going to print true here, right? That's how it goes on. Now and similarly the second case, we don't know, like Python doesn't see this is operator as a comparison operator. It just checks whether the operators have the same value or not. Here there is an empty string and it compares with the uh, value here. So it obviously gives false. Now this time I just wanted to use something like this. Let's see what we'll get. We got true. Or we can also check with some kind of number. This time we got false because it's not exactly same. So that's how it works. And same thing again if we wanted to apply for an array here, and which is saying that array is 1, it's getting false because the same logic applies here as well. But this time I just wanted to check by giving uh, the other list. Let us see what we'll get. We got false actually. Why we have got false? Because these lists are not in the same memory location, right? This is a little bit complicated, but just try to understand by googling, because here these two empty lists are in different memory locations, and hence both the lists refer here to be at a different objects. That's why we are getting false here. Similarly, let's see the other one again. 10 is 10.0. Here there is no conversion taking place, so that's why we are getting false in this. Now this is same as earlier one what we have discussed. Well, this is about is and double equal to operator. Well, we'll see you in the next one.